Welcome to part 4 of LS 427 turbo engine header build. Let's go. Back with the beginning of part 4 on building these headers, and I lost my oh, here it is. Excuse me. So I got some sinus stuff going on, so I sound kind of weird, but this is number 5. You got a little template here that this isn't going to be how it's going to be made. It's going to need to come out a little bit further because the tube is going to need to come behind number 5 there a little further back when it angles up in there. But I'll get a better sight of that as I go along. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to, for cylinder number 1 here that comes out of the I guess it'd be the outside on the top. I'm gonna use this template for my 90-degree bends. I'm gonna put it against, because I want it when it's bottomed out inside the collector. I want it to come out the length of it where the 90 comes up, which is what this cardboard or this template paper is representing. I want it to come out far enough that when it bends up at the bend, I want the hole to be in line with the edge of the port in the flange here. So I'm gonna measure over, try to do this with move that out of the way. I'm gonna drop my tape measure down there. I could probably use something else that would be fine, but this will be okay. Tape measures are flexible. So I'm going to put this up against the face of the collector. I'm going to lay this over here, and then to hit the edge, to hit the hole, this is tough to hold, but let's see. Square with the hole, a 1/2 inch. Looks like about, yeah, this is a booger. I'll get it. It's hard to hold the darn tape measure. Yeah, I need to take that bolt out, I think. Oh, shoot. I'm a rookie film operator, so sorry about that. Take this bolt out. Readjust. How's that camera? That's okay. So I'll try this again. I should probably get a scale. So, dang, this sucks. I should have had this figured out before I started filming. All right. Okay, this will give me an idea. I know it'll really work is I'll take this darn bolt out too. I'm sure this is like bottom bucket video quality. So you get what you pay for, right? Okay, now I can run this along here and see. So the edge of my template, which is, we'll call it also my tube, it needs to come over like, I would say, it's caught. We get a good look again. This is not easy to measure with one hand. And I don't want to mess it up. Looks like almost 3/4 of an inch. 11/16. Okay. I'll let that go. So the length, I'm going to come up about 1 inch when I put this on my tube to cut it. I'm going to give it some length here, a little bit of a leg, and probably cut it like right in here. And I know 11/16 of an inch it needs to move over, so I'm going to add that length here, plus the distance that it goes inside the collector. So I'm going to get that piece cut, and how we're looking on tubes here. I got 2 cylinders left, and I got 6 pieces of full 90s and a couple stragglers here. I'm in pretty good shape. I was trying to remember how many I started with, and I don't remember. I even tried to look at an email from Wolf Aircraft of how many they sent me, and I couldn't find it. So I'm gonna get this tube cut and get a template set in this hole so I can figure out where it needs to come out here to go to it, and we'll be back with some more action. Well, this is the end of part 4 on the header build. I got in kind of a rush late this evening. I wanted to get, I didn't get much video, I didn't get any video. I stopped back here, and I didn't get any video of working with these two. I actually completely spaced it off because I was in such a rush, or not a rush, but I wanted to get these done this evening. It's 11 o'clock on New Year's Day, and I wanted to get these tacked because I can weld them with the car knot here. It's going to be 49 degrees tomorrow. That's the warmest it's going to be for a week or more, and the car is going to the body shop on Saturday or Friday afternoon, or Friday sometime, to get the hood and the hatch fit. So tonight's Wednesday. Tomorrow, I didn't want to mess with this. I wanted to just get things cleaned up and ready to load the car. I'm going to load the car tomorrow while it's supposed to be 49 degrees. So I wanted to get these tubes all tacked up. So all the cylinders tacked up. Turned out good. I thought I like them. Great spark plug access, which is obviously a goal for every, and plug wires are awesome. Spark plug, just tons of room. Good to go there. So this is the end of a 4-part video series of kind of putting them things together, tacking them up, and like there they are. So I'm going to probably do a multi-part series on when I start welding them. I'm not sure when I'll start doing that. Probably a few days, but if you've hung through all 4 of these, thank you. It's a little rough around the edges. I'll get better at this as I do more stuff. So thanks for watching, and I'm going to be welding these tubes sooner or later. I got Vibrant V-bands for this collector here, and I'm going to do a product review on those sometime, probably maybe next week, or maybe this weekend. We'll see. But so this closes out part 4 of a 4-part series on getting these headers located and tacked up, and I like them. So they'll be really cool, and they're all welded up and back on the car. So that's it, and we'll see you later.